Now it's 20 years later, someone far across the ocean. Here I am, chilling with the homies on some grown shit. Thank God that I made it this far. If it wasn't for my driver, then I would've crashed the car. It's the beach boy coming through the city, going hard. I got big money calling, I'm just tryna play it smart. Play it smart, I'm just tryna play it smart, yeah. Play it smart, I'm just tryna play it smart. I got...
Yo, what's going on, you guys? I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, before I start this video, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, make sure you like the video already. And if you like live streams, if you like watching Fortnite, or you like playing Fortnite, make sure you turn those post notifications on, because I do stream every once in a while on here, just so you guys can pop in, ask questions, play with me. That's just like open, instead of like commenting like questions, because like there's so many comments I usually get, so I don't read all of them, or I don't see all of them. But anyways, this will be a shorter video. I'm just talking about like a highly asked question, or like a really high trending topic, which is Juuls. Obviously everybody knows what they are, and if you don't, you've been sleeping under a rock. Now, so many people ask me if I have a Juul, if I will buy a Juul, if I've used a Juul, can I make a video with Juuls? The answer is no, no, and no. Now, I will never buy a Juul, and I will never use one. I might use one, but like I think they're illegal in Canada. Like I don't think people, like I've never seen one in Canada. I don't know anybody around here that has one, and none of the stores have them. And the reason why I will never use one, because they're super, super high nicotine. I've heard nothing but bad things about them. People getting depressed, people getting super addicted. Like getting addicted to cigarettes, bad, not for me. Getting addicted to a vape, not for me. I'm not trying to like get addicted to nothing, so like I'm not trying to go buy a Juul. I was gonna buy one to make a video on it, which I still might, but like I don't think I want to get into that, because like watching the bigger YouTubers who don't smoke, or that we don't know that smoke, and then they buy a Juul, and then they obsessed about it, and they're like, it changes your personality, you can't go a day without it. Now, I don't like relying on stuff, I don't like relying on people, I don't like relying on like something that I'm addicted to, because I don't get addicted, because I make sure that I'm like not getting myself too deep on this. I mean, if that makes sense. Like this video is not like hitting a Juul, or it's just like a straight up talking video, because I wanted to answer a lot of your questions about like Juuls. And like there was a really good comment I seen of somebody, I'm pretty sure he said he used a Juul and he loved it at start, and then it made him depressed, it made him sick. And like I'm not trying to get any of that. Like I'm perfectly happy, I love my life, I feel good every day for the most part, and I barely ever get sick. So like hearing stuff like that about vaping is kind of like what I don't want. And I'm pretty like, the Juul is so trending, like it's one of the biggest known vapes out there. Like people are like, is that a Juul? Like when I had my little pod, they're like, is that a Juul? And I'm like, no. They're like, oh, I want one. I'm just like, they're like, you should buy one. I'm just like, no, like I'm not about that. Like I don't want to get 60 nicotine, I don't need it. I like 3 is fine, 0 is fine, I don't care. I like to make vape videos. I vape sometimes, like I don't know, it's just something I like to do. And I'm not trying to get a Juul because like I don't want to fuck my health up, and I don't want to get like mentally ill over getting addicted and then like not using it. I'm not trying to do that. Like I highly suggest not using them after some of the stuff I've read and what it does to you. I just highly suggest not using them, and like people are getting them banned in their countries because it's just started so much stuff. And this is like another topic about like underage vaping. So many kids are using Juuls that have never smoked in their life, and then they're gonna get mentally wrecked from depression because they get addicted to nicotine, and then they rely on it, which they don't understand what addiction is. So like that's the problem with underage vaping. Like if you vape 0, you're fine. If you vape 3, you're fine. If you vape 6, but as soon as you start getting in the 20s, 50s, 60s, that's nuts. Like a cigarette, I don't know how much a cigarette, it's really, really low, and it still gets you addicted. And people are hitting 60 nic. Like, why? Why do you need a Juul? People are like, you need a Juul. It's like, I don't ever want one, and I don't want anything to do with it. I would have just bought one to get views on YouTube, but like now it's just like, yo, like I'm not trying to fuck myself over, and I'm not gonna try to promote something that is literally not good for you. Like that's the one thing I will never buy in vaping. I'm not buying anything higher than 6 nic. I'm not, like, I literally use my pod, which is 25, and I don't get addicted to it. Like I could literally give this away. Like I could give it to somebody. I don't use it. I bought it for a video. I use it sometimes. Like if I go to a party or something, I'll bring it because it's just so much easier. But I just don't find, like I don't rely on it. Like some people are like, oh, I need my pod. I need a high nicotine. I need nicotine. I'm just like, why? Like you don't. You've never smoked. I don't know. It's just weird. And like this is just like a ranting video about me like telling you guys, like you don't need a Juul. You don't want one. They're bad for you. Like I'm serious. But yeah, like here, like look. Like I don't know. There's this guy who commented how his channel is so about like Juuls, and like yeah, it will blow you up, but would you rather have like better mental health and better health, or be big on YouTube? Like it comes over time, or you could do it really fast by just talking about Juuls or doing stupid videos. Like I made a salt nic at 111 watts, which is just a stupid video. It did some numbers, but I wouldn't have done it myself. My friend came up with a video idea. He told me he wanted to do it. So like that's something different. Like I would never do that to myself. So like I hope this video helps you guys out. If you guys are about to buy a Juul or you're thinking about it, do a lot of research, and like if you don't smoke or anything, don't do it, because like you're not addicted to anything. So why get addicted to a little vape that has such high nicotine that will literally make you feel like shit? I don't know. I just wanted to make this video to help some of you guys out and like answer your questions about Juuls. Like I don't know. This is just one of my videos I wanted to make for a while because I didn't know if I wanted to buy one, and then I did a bunch of research over the past few weeks, and it's just like, nah, it's a no-go for me. And I hope that you guys can make that same decision. Like I would literally throw your Juul out, and I know a lot of people are gonna hate on this video that Juuls are the best thing that ever happened, but you're completely wrong. I would take one of these with 0 nic or 3 nic over a Juul, unlimited Juuls for free. I would take one of these over that any day. But I did get a sponsorship for salt nic, so I'm gonna be talking to you guys about that in another video, because I'd rather hit something like this than Juul, because I don't know. But yeah, I'm sorry guys for taking it off topic, but I just hope you understand where I'm coming from, and I hope this can help you guys make the right decision on buying a vape, because that's like kind of what I do for my job, is tell you guys stuff and hope that you guys listen, I guess. But yeah, it's just like an informative video trying to like teach some people some education that I know and I've been told a lot of, and it's just to help some of you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys stick to the end. Comment BAPE if you made it to the end of this video, BAPE for the shirt, and it'd just be nice to see what you guys got to say about a Juul. So comment your opinions down below about salt nic, what's your opinions on them, and Juuls, what you think about them and how you think they're bad or how you think they're good, and then maybe you guys will change my mind. But make sure you guys subscribe and like the video. Don't leave a dislike, because I'm not trying to like start anything. I'm just straight up being honest with you guys with my opinion, saying it is my YouTube channel. I would like to get my opinion out there on that. And peace out, guys.